Thank you for using Parkland's Shower-MAX as your tub or shower wall panel material. Shower-MAX is environmentally friendly, recycled, recyclable, and contains no detectable VOC materials. Shower-MAX is easy to install and offers an attractive, sanitary, and waterproof installation. Just follow these instructions. Allow adhesive and all Shower-MAX materials to acclimate to room temperature for at least 48 hours prior to installation. Always use Parkland recommended adhesives, as other products may not give the desired performance. Make sure water is turned off safely. Remove existing fixtures, tub spout, and shower valve according to manufacturer's directions. Remove any existing tile or other materials to expose bare drywall or plaster. Ensure that remaining walls are flat, clean, dry, and solid. Remove all bumps, loose plaster, or paint and dust. Fill all low spots and voids with drywall compound and seal with latex primer, and allow the primer to fully dry for at least 24 hours. If tub walls are heavily damaged, better results are achieved by removing the existing drywall or plaster and replacing them with new green board moisture-resistant sheetrock. For new sheetrock, seal with good quality sealer primer such as Latex Kills. Select which Parkland Shower-MAX wall protection system you're installing. Either Parkland Shower-MAX Pro 1/8 inch panels or Parkland Shower-MAX 3/16 inch panels. Either Shower-MAX panel adheres directly to the pre-primed wall surface using spray lock adhesive or Parkland panel adhesive. Shower-MAX Pro can be trimmed with 10 snips. Shower-MAX and Shower-MAX Pro can be cut with a circular saw with a fine blade. Drill or use a router to cut all inside corners, leaving a radius to distribute stress. Lay out panel locations with a pencil and a level in the area where they are to be installed. Check for unacceptable locations of panel seams or fixtures. Lay out and test fit the seam kit strips at each inside corner and all other seam locations. Lay out the desired location of all Shower-MAX panels, including the back wall center plumb line on tub installations, and any other seam locations. Locate and mark all seam strip locations by marking 1.5 inches either side of the plumb line. Seam strips are 3 inches wide. Carefully pre-trim each seam strip so that it is 1/8 of an inch below the level line, representing the top of the panels after the installation is complete. It's easy to protect from overspray with either a spray shield, drop cloths, or paper masking. Shake the aerosol can. Then remove the blue safety tab. This adhesive is delivered by a low-pressure propellant. Adhesive should spray out in a wide mist and fall similar to snow towards the desired surface. Avoid extremely heavy application. Now hold the can upright approximately 10 to 12 inches horizontally from the substrate. Aim and pull the trigger. Move can back and forth, spraying smoothly and evenly. This is the correct spray pattern. Make note of the reference coin for scale. Spraying in a sweeping motion may result in an inconsistent spray pattern. To ensure optimal spray pattern, remove any adhesive buildup that may occur during the application process. If overspray does occur, it may be removed with a damp cloth while the adhesive is still wet. Allow the adhesive to dry until there is no adhesive transfer when lightly touched. High humidity and/or low temperature increases the tack time. Open time after application is about 2 hours. While it's open, ensure that the adhesive is not contaminated by dust. Alternatively, if spray lock is not available, Parkland panel adhesive may also be used. Apply with a 1/16 inch V-notch trowel over a pre-primed wall surface. Next, position the seam strip carefully, pinching closed for corner installation and then pressing into the adhesive bed. Any two panels on one wall can be joined by using a seam strip and fitting the panels snugly together. The pre-trimmed factory edge will make an attractive seam and requires no further trimming. All panel seams at corners require an 1/8 inch gap between them. Start with back panels. Fit one side of back panel into the corner by scribing, which is tracing along the wall corner with a pencil, the amount of the panel excess over the center line on the back wall. Scribe carefully and allow enough material in case the other corner is out of plumb and needs further trimming. Make sure not to trim the panel excessively to ensure that it covers the intended area. Repeat for the other corner. Test fit frequently, leaving 1/8 inch gaps at both corners and fitting the rear wall seam to only a 1/16 inch wide or less for appearance. Test fit both the back panels at the same time to double check the fit and finish. Be sure to leave the 1/8 inch gaps at both ends of the rear wall. Do not adhere the panels to the wall at this time. Tape off area to be sprayed with included adhesive. Install rear wall panels carefully, following the level line so all panels line up neatly. Panels may be pulled straight off the wall surface and reapplied several times without reduction in bond strength. When applying panels to wall with adhesive, start on one end of the panel, keeping the panel gently curved away from the wall, and slowly allow the panel to flatten to the wall across to the other side. Use hand pressure to firmly bed the panel into the adhesive. Install side walls in the same manner. Be sure to cut panels at end to be placed in corner, allowing the smooth factory edges to be exposed when installation is completed. Check and smooth any necessary edges prior to installation of the panels. Apply Eco-Tough silicone sealant if desired to all seams and joints. Clean excess sealant with mineral spirits or denatured alcohol in a smooth rag. Wipe panels clean and inspect the job. Immediately remove any dirt or adhesive materials from the finished installation. Allow adhesive and sealant to dry 24 hours prior to use. Reinstall fixtures and install any accessories such as the Shower-MAX shampoo shelf or shower caddy after 24 hours.